Hi again. Are you tired of eating out all the time? Want to bring the taste of India to your own kitchen? Look no further. Here are 5 mouth-watering Indian dishes you can easily make at home. Dish 1. Start off with a classic, butter chicken. Simply marinate chicken in a mixture of yogurt and spices, then cook in a creamy tomato sauce for a flavorful dish. Dish 2. Next up, chana masala. This vegetarian dish features chickpeas cooked in a spicy tomato sauce and served over rice. Dish 3. For a unique twist, try biryani. A rice dish with saffron, spices, and your choice of meat or vegetables. Dish 4. Satisfy your cravings with samosas. Fill wonton wrappers with a mixture of spices and potatoes, then fry until crispy. Dish 5. End on a sweet note with kheer, a creamy rice pudding made with milk and sugar, and flavored with cardamom. These 5 dishes are sure to please your taste buds and take your home cooking to the next level. So, gather your ingredients, and let's get cooking. See you soon with more recipes.